Imagine this, your tween is at school and she starts her period unexpectedly. No products, no preparation, and it's a moment we all dread for her. But what if we could prevent this by helping her understand her cycle? Hi, I'm Maddie with RedDrop, and today we're tackling an essential topic for both moms and their tweens, and it's the best way to track your menstrual cycle. And tracking isn't just about the date, it's about understanding your body, building confidence, and staying prepared. Whether your tween has just started her period or is about to, I'll show you some simple and effective tracking methods to make it fun and empowering for your tween. Now, I know what you're thinking. If the point of tracking is to predict her periods and she's just started her period, meaning it's probably pretty irregular, then what's the point if it's hard to track irregular periods? Stay tuned because later in this video, I'll give you a hack on how you can track and even predict irregular periods. Of course, you don't have to, but then you run the risk of her period starting unexpectedly, especially while she's out and being unprepared. Her periods feeling even more unpredictable and stressful, and she could miss important patterns that could be indicating health issues. Tracking allows your tween to feel more prepared for what's coming next, helping her feel more in control. It helps her understand her own body's rhythms and timing. It builds her confidence because she has less fear of surprises and knows what to expect. And it allows her to detect irregularities early and spot anything that might need some medical attention. So now that we know the importance of cycle tracking, let's talk about the best ways to track. So the first way to track is through traditional methods like this period tracker right here. This period tracker is through RedDrop. It has all of the months listed at the top and then the days listed vertically, and you use these little stickers to mark off what days you have your period. It's interactive, it's easy to use, and it's fun especially for younger girls who like visuals. They have these cute stickers that come along with it, and it's kind of like an art project. It does require her to get in the habit of being consistent and updating this when needed, but that's something you can help remind her as well. The best part about this is it's super intuitive and easy to use, so most girls won't have an issue using this. Another method that requires potentially a little more creativity is by getting her a journal. But because there's more space, it allows you to write more and track things like your symptoms as well as your periods. So if you're feeling irritable one day or breast tenderness or something like that, you can use a journal to track it. Now, of course, there's period tracking apps as well. These can be convenient and can provide more information than some of the traditional methods. Many of them have the ability to predict future cycles, offer reminders for upcoming periods, and allow her to log her symptoms like mood and flow. However, tweens may not find them as intuitive to use, and if it takes too long to learn, they just might not end up using them at all. Some of these apps may also collect data, which can feel a bit invasive, and of course they require consistent phone access, which may not be ideal. Now, at the end of the day, both of these methods have their pros and cons, and just choose a method that's going to work best for your tween. Both of these methods help her see the bigger picture: when her period starts, how long it lasts, and how she feels throughout the month. Now, as promised, here's a hack to predict periods even when they're irregular. And the hack is to keep track of her symptoms aside from her period. Symptoms like irritability, breast tenderness, discharge, bloating, acne, migraines or headaches, cramps, food cravings, and fatigue. She likely won't get all of these, but if you keep track of the most noticeable ones, they can be indicators for when she's going to start her period. For example, if you don't know when she's going to start her period based on the 28-day cycle, but you know the symptoms that she'll get a few days before her period, the day that she starts noticing these symptoms, for example, like breast tenderness or irritability, you'll know that she'll start her period a few days after that. So how do you implement this? Now, the following section is actually only available for exclusive RedDrop subscribers. All that means is they pay $13.49 a month, they get RedDrop products shipped directly to their house, and they get free exclusive content from me. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you're interested. Remember that tracking her cycle is a small habit that leads to big results. Understanding her body, avoiding surprises, and building confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on how to help your tween through this exciting part in her life. And check out RedDrop's website for more tween-friendly pads, period trackers, and resources for both tweens and their moms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.